Today we shall solve the worksheet number first of the number system. There will be 3 to 4 worksheets, and the first question is your that 6 crore 7 lakh 54,032 can be written as. So that in the very first video of that number system I have told you, say there will be two systems in which we can write the numbers. One is that Hindu-Arabic system, second one is the international system. Here you are looking that the numbers are written in your Hindu-Arabic system, and that was that unit 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore and 10 crore. Ten crore and this crore. So here they are saying you to start from the 6 crore. 6 crore is one digit. So we will ignore the 10 crore and we'll start from here. So 6 crore means 6 here. 7 lakh. You are looking that 7 lakh is of unit digit. 7 you have the one digit. So at the place of 10 lakh you will write 0. And there is 7 lakh, so 7 will be here. So 10 lakh is left, so here 0 will come. So 6 crore 7 lakh 54,000. 54,000 means what? 54 is of that 2 digits. So 5 will come at the place of 10,000 and 4 will come at the place of 1,000. It will be the 54,000. 32. 32. Look student, 100 they are not giving. They are saying 32. So 32 will be here and 100 place is left. So at the place of 100, what will come? 0 will come. So the number will become 60754032. So which one is matching? This answer B is matching. Your answer B is matching. And you can read out this as well, that unit 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. So 6 crore, 7. So that means you can put the comma after 3 digits, then after 2 digits. These things I have told to you. So it will become 6 crore 7 lakh 54,032. You can cross check it also. Means put the comma here after 3 digits, then after 2 digits, then after 2 digits. So you are looking, it is coming what? 60 crore. Unit 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. So 60 crore is coming. So here is 6 crore. So answer A will become wrong. Here in the same way, this after 3 digits, then after 2 digits. So unit 10, 100, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So 67 lakh is there. So it will be also become wrong. And it is coming correct. So your answer will be B. None of these will be left. Okay. Now move to the second one. This number is given to you and they are saying that mark which one is the correct. So you are looking that 9 is here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times. So they are writing that 9 times. So those 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and this 9. So 9 times 9 they are writing, and they are saying that which one will be the correct one. So you are looking that they have given you 99 crore, 99 lakh is there. So it will be the Hindu Arabic system, and in Hindu Arabic system we know this will be unit, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore and 10 crore. So Hindu Arabic system tells to us that put the comma after 3 digits, then after 2 digits you will put. So this here 10 crore is coming. So meaning is that 99 crore, 99 crore, this 99 crore, 99 lakh, 99,000, 900, 900, 900. This is now 900. This 99. So where it is written, you can check. 99 crore. Okay, 99 crore, 99 lakh, 90. Here 99,000 should be there. So here they have written 9,000. So it will become wrong. Check the second one. 99 crore. Okay. 99 lakh. Okay. 900 they have written. So it will become wrong. Here 99 crore. 99 lakh. 99,000, okay, 999, 999. So this C will become your correct answer of it. Okay, C will come out correct answer. Come to the third one. What is the face and place value of 8 in 398467? Okay. The concept behind it I have told you in the previous videos. This 3, 9, 8, 4, 6, 7 they have given to you, and they are saying to find out the face and place value of this 8. So for that, student, I have told you to write what? Suppose this is unit, this one is 10, this one is your 100, this is what? 1000, this one is 10,000. This one is lakh. So since we want the place value, at which place it is situated, suppose we first consider the place value. So the place of 8 we want to find out. The place of 8. So what will you do? 8 into, at which place it is situated? It is situated at the thousands place. So what will you write here? into 1000, which will give you 8 into, I'm sorry, or no, means I want to tell to you here, if you are looking that 1 after 1 there is 30. So in the first video I have told you, what will you do? 10 to power 3. 10 to the power 3 you will read. Now you will give the crown 3 to the 10. Crown 3 to the 10 means the power of 10. So the power of any number will be the crown on the head of the number. So you can write this 8 into 1000 in this way as well. 8 into 10 to the power 3, which is nothing but your 8000 only. You are looking, 8 is situated at the thousands place. And for the time, I want to tell you that at unit place there will be 10 to the power 0. At 10th place there will be 10 to the power 1. At 100 place there will be 10 to the power 2. At thousands place there will be 10 to the power 3. At 10,000s place there will be 10 to the power 4. Here will be 10 to the power 5. Like it will go on. So a number written on the top of the number is said to be power. And the way of reading it and learning it I have told you in the previous video. So you are looking that first we have selected the place value, and that place value is coming 8000. With this 8, it is situated at the thousands place. So 8 into 1000 and 30 is there. So power will be 3. Okay, so 8000 will be the place value of it. And next the question is saying to find out the face value. So in the first video I have told you that face of any person is not going to be changed. If you are looking to anyone's face, it is not going to change. It will be the face of him itself. Means always the student will look the teacher like a devil only. In his mind, the face of teacher is only of the devil. You can suppose. So the face of any person is not going to be changed. You can have the Kareena Kapoor face as well. For your that good mind. It is only the way of learning I am saying. So the face of any person is not going to be changed. So the face value of 8 will be 8 itself. Face of 8 will be the 8 itself. So your face value will come, face value of 8 will be 8 only. So the number will become 8 and this 8000. This 8 and 8000. Place value is your 8000, face value is your 8. So your answer C will be correct. Now come to the fourth one problem. Fourth one problem is saying us to find the product of place value of 2 and 5. They are saying that to find out the product of place values. Product of place values of 2 and 5 in number this. So what will we do? First we will find out the place values of 2 and 5 in it. So number is your 7, 0, 5, 4, 2, 4, 3 here. And we want to find out the place values of this 2 and 5. So the way is, here is unit 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So the place value of 2 is at which place? It is at the 100th place. So 2 into 100, which will give us 200. This 5 is at the place of 10,000. So 5 into 10,000, and 5 into 10,000 will give us 50,000. Okay, 50,000. And multiplication, they are saying to us to find out the product. Product means multiplication. So we will multiply the place values of 2 and 5. So this 50,000 here into 200 we will do. 0 times 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 5s are 0 as well. You left here 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 5s are 0 here. You left here 2 0, 0, 2 0, 0, 2 0, 0, 2 0, 0, 2 5s are 10. 2 5s are 10. So 10 you will write like it. Now what will you do? You will add it all. This 0, this one 0, this one 0, this one 0, this one 0, 0, here 10. Okay, I am writing here. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros here. There is 5 and 6 and we'll make that 7. Yes, correct. So this multiplication of 200 and 50,000 will give us this number 1, and after that 2, 4, 7 zeros. How many zeros? 7 zeros. You can check, you can do the multiply. I think now at the 5th level, if you are not able to do multiply, you should be in 2nd and 3rd class, I think. So it will become your answer. How many zeros are coming? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So which one is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wrong. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, yes. D will be your answer. And you should check the C1 as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is here. So it is not. B is your answer. Now come to the 5th one problem. Find the place value of 9. Place value of 9 in the number which is 158667 more than 7423672. So the problem is saying to find the place value of 9 in the number, and that number is this much more than this number. So this much more than this number will be nothing but addition of these two numbers, means 7423672 and 158667 more than this will be nothing but the addition of this, means 158667 is coming. So this 2 to 4, 7 7 14, 1 carry, 7 7 6 13, 1 carry, 9 10, 1 carry, 8 2 10 11, 1 carry, 9 1 10, 1 carry, this 7 8 9 here. So the number is coming this, and we want to find out the place value of 9, which is this much more than this. So number more than this much more than this will be this plus this, and this number is coming this, and you are looking that 9, we want to find out the place value of 9 here. So this unit, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So 9 is present at the place of 10 lakh. So 9 into what? 10 lakh. And 10 lakh will give us this much. Unit, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Okay. So this will become 9 into how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros should become. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How will you do? Means 9 you will write into this 1, and how many zeros should come here? You can check. You will, that whatever place value you want to find out, you will hide that, and whatever many number of the digits will be written on the right side. You are looking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits are written on the right side of 9. So you will write 1 and then 6 zeros. So this 9 into 10 lakh will give you nothing but the 90 lakhs only. And where is 90 lakhs? You are looking in 90 lakhs, there are 6 zeros. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, wrong. 1, 2, 3, 4, wrong. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. So this 3, 3, 6. So your, of course, answer will be C1 answer. Means while are you giving the Sainik School exam, they will give you the OMR, and how will you circle? You will circle in such a way there should not be gap in between the circle. That should be completely dark. Okay. This one is your fifth problem. Solution. Now students, come to the sixth one problem. Sixth one problem is saying to you that what is the face value of 6 in the number this one. So sometime earlier I have told you that face of any person is not going to be changed. So you will remember that the face value of any number will be number itself. The meaning is that if someone is saying to you to find out the face of any person is not going to change. So face value of 6. So the face of 6 will be 6 itself. So your answer will be 6. Face value of 6 will be 6 itself. So face of any number is the number itself, and D will be your answer. Seventh problem is saying to you to find out the number of zeros in the least number of 17 digits. Least number of 17 digits. If you are writing that how many zeros will come in that we want to know. So some student will do that long way, they will find out that how many digits should be there. So I have told you that in n digits, least number n minus 1 zeros. How many? N minus 1 zeros will be there. So n is your 17, and in the least number of 17 digit there will be what? N minus 1 zeros. and minus 1 zeros means 17 minus 1 zeros, which will give you 16. So your answer will be B1 16. Okay. Now come to the 8th one problem, students. And in the 8th one, they are saying you to find the true and false. So that first one is saying to you, greatest 8-digit number plus 1 is equal to 9 digits least 9-digit number. This greatest 8-digit number plus 1, when you are doing whether it is equal to least 9-digit number, check that greatest 8-digit number. So greatest 8-digit number, how will you write? The things I have told to you, that you will write 9 8 times. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 plus 1. Plus 1, when are you doing? 9 plus 1 10, 1 carry, 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 9 plus 1 will become 10. So they are saying that whether it is equal to the least 9-digit number. So least 9-digit number, how will you write? You will write n minus 1 0. N minus 1 means 9 minus 1 is your 8 zeros on the right side of 1. Means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So whether these two are equal, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 0 is coming here, 8 0 is coming here. So you are looking that if in the greatest number of 8 digit we are adding 1, it is coming least 9-digit number. So the first one is your true. First one is your true. In the same way, if they will say to you that greatest 5 digits, suppose now think in your mind that they are saying that find the greatest 5 digit number plus 1, whether it will be equal to least 6-digit number, answer will be true. Greatest 4-digit number plus 1, when you will do, it will become least number of 5 digit. Greatest 11-digit number plus 1, when you will do, it will become least 12-digit number. So you should think in this way, I think. Okay. So it was your first one, it is true. I'm rubbing here. Now we shall move to the second one. Second one is saying that greatest 6-digit number plus 1. So greatest 6-digit number will be what? 9 we will write 6 times, 9 we will write 6 times to find the greatest number of 6 digits. So second one I am solving here. Greatest 6-digit number is your 6 times 9s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And plus 1. Plus 1 when you will do? 9 plus 1, 10. 1 carry. 9 plus 1, 10. 1 carry. 9 plus 1, 10. 0 here. 1 carry. 9 plus 1, 10, 0 here, 1 carry, 9 plus 1, 10, 0 here, 1 carry, 9 plus 1 will become 10. So, where are you looking? It is nothing but your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 zeros is here after the 1. So, it will be the least number. It is nothing but your least number of how many digits? 6 or 7? 6 zeros are here. So, it will be the least number of 7 digits. Student, please think. Study carefully. And they are saying that it is equal to least number of 8 digit. So no, it is least number of 7 digit and it will come out false here. Getting? So the meaning is that means if suppose we are adding 1 in greatest number of n digit, note when are we adding 1 in greatest number of n digits, it will become n digits, it will become what it will become? It will become least number. It will become least number of n plus 1 digits. Least number of n plus 1 digits. I think I am telling that what I am writing here. You can go to the high definition and it will be visible to you. I think. So remember it. Notice that when are we adding 1 in greatest number of n digit, it will become least number of n plus 1 digit. You have seen that if we are adding 1 in the greatest number of 8 digit, it is coming least number of 9 digit. Whereas you have seen that they are in the second one, they are saying that greatest number of 6 digit is there and they are adding 1 in that and they are saying that it will be least number of 8 digit. No, greatest number of 6 digit is there, plus 1 when are we doing? So it will become 6 plus 1 7 digits least number. Getting? You can slow down the video and whatever that things I am speaking, you can listen that and can write. I think only this much help I can do. I think. Now they are saying that lowest 4 digit number minus 1. Lowest 4 digit number minus 1. Third one we are selecting. So lowest 4 digit number. Lowest 4 digit number will be nothing but our 4 minus 1 0. 4 minus 1 0 on the right side of 1 means 4 minus 1 3 means 1 2 3. And when are we subtracting minus 1 from it? So 0 will not go by 1. So we will take carry. It will become 10. 10 after this we will take carry here. It will become 10. Here it will come 9. And we'll remove this. It will become invisible here. 9 here, 9 here. It will become 10. 10 minus 1. 9 here, 9, 9. And it will become invisible. I think you can subtract by in the 5th class. So you are looking this 999 is the greatest number of 3 digit, isn't? They have written means that we are finding the 9 3 times, so it is greatest number of 3 digit, and they are saying that it is the greatest number of 4 digit, so it will become wrong. It should be the greatest number of 4 digit, so it will become false here. Okay. I'm rubbing, you can pause, whatever time gap I'm giving you, in that you can pause the video and can write the things. And one thing you will note down, that note if we are subtracting 1. What are we subtracting? Subtracting 1 from least number. 1 we are subtracting from least number. Say and suppose least number of n digits. So the result will be greatest number of n minus 1 digits. So if you are subtracting 1 from the least number of n digit, so it will become greatest number of n minus 1 digit, whereas when you are adding 1 in the greatest number of n digit, it will become least number of n plus 1 digits. These two things you will keep in your mind, I think. Okay. Write down the ninth one problem. That if we subtract 5 digits largest number from 6 digit smallest number. Okay, please, one thing I want to tell to you, please keep in your mind that we are subtracting what and which we are subtracting. We are subtracting what and which. That if we subtract 5 digit largest number, we are subtracting what? 5 digit largest number from which? From the 6 digit smallest number, then what will be result? So you know that your greatest 5 digit number will be nothing. How many times 9 you will write? 5 times, means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. It will be the greatest number of 5 digit, and least number of 6 digit will be nothing. That you will write n minus 1, means 6 minus 1, 5 zeros you will write on the right side of 1. So the greatest number of 5 digit will be it, and least number of 6 digit will be this. And they are saying you, what are they saying? That subtract 5 digit largest number from 6 digit smallest number. So which number you will subtract from which? You will subtract this from this. So it will be like it. So many of you will do wrong when they will ask to you like it. Please, this thing, miss, I don't know, miss, which school you are going and whether are you getting this thing or not. So I am telling you the thing. And if you are feeling student problem to that understand it, please 2, 3, 4 times you can repeat it, and you can consult to your parents as well. That it is this thing I am not getting. They will definitely tell to you. And if your parents is not able to tell to you, you can consult to anyone in your neighborhood. It is 5th class, and at 5th class this should come in your mind. So they are saying to subtract 5 digit largest number from 6 digit. So from, they are saying from the digit. So from is 6 digit least number. So this we will subtract from this. Okay, and of course it will 1 you will carry, it will become 10. Then again 1 will come here, it will become 9. 9. And then 10 again it will come here, it will become 9. Then again it will become 9. 9 here it will become 10. 10 minus 9 is your 1. And 9 9 0 0 0 0 here it will come. And if you are writing on the left side, if you are writing 0 on the left side of any number, there is no meaning. The meaning of 0 will come only when are you writing on the right side. On the left side there is no meaning. So it is nothing but our 1. So your answer will be D1. You will remember that we will subtract 5 digits largest number from 6 digit smallest number. You will not subtract this number from this. You will subtract this from this. Okay? It's 9th one problem. Next student, I want to tell to you that successor of a number and predecessor of a number. Okay, successor of a number and predecessor of a number. So you are looking that I have written that successor of a number will be nothing, number plus 1. Success means that we are growing, so we will add 1 in that. Predecessor of number is nothing but the number minus 1. So in the predecessor we will subtract 1 from it. So in successor we will add 1 and in predecessor we will subtract 1. So based on it we are finding a problem here that find the successor of 3928. So your solution will be nothing. 3928 plus 1 only, and it will become 8 plus 1 9. This 2 and 9 3. So it will be the answer of 10th one. Next they are saying to find out the predecessor of 76412. So in the predecessor what will we do? We will subtract 1 from it. In predecessor we will subtract 1, in the successor we will add 1. So 2 minus 1 it will become 1. 1, 4, 6, 7. So I am leaving it up to here, and next thing we will do in the worksheet number of